Hi, welcome back. So today I'm going to talk about how to replace the cleats and or shoes in the exact same spot. So here I've got a square and I've used a cable tie like so. Cut it down, you'll get the idea. And what I'm going to do is I'm making sure, it takes a little bit of getting used to, but it's got to be flat there. It's got to be flat. You hit those 2 points and you hit the shoe at 1 point. So I'm hitting the shoe there, contact is there, those 2 points, and that flat surface. Okay, so once you've got that, okay, so then you move it around, and what I've done is I've got a red dot there. See the red dot? So I'm lining up that red dot. And that's actually it, right there. And then what I'm doing is that red dot is lined up. So I'm going to nip those up there, right there. It's that easy. That's nipped. Now what you're going to do is check for repeatability. So you've got to come there, make sure you're correct. That's flat there, 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 and I'm on. And it's on that red dot again. Okay, so that's repeatable, which is good. This is check, repeatable. Now where that red dot came from is I'm actually replacing the shoes as well. Here's the old pair of shoes, pretty hammered, but I've got that red dot. I just put on, so I set this up on the old cleats, there, flatness, 2 points, and it's hitting the shoe. I'll set that up, and where that zip tie is nearly hitting the shoe, I put a red dot there. Okay, and then for the red dot, I'll put the red dot on the same position on the new shoe. Hence, all I have to do now is swap. I can swap anything, and it works. Repeatable, accurate, easy.